Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me, WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video about how to install Windows 11 on old laptop. So what I mean by that is when you try to install the Windows 11 by bootable disk, and then you got a message like this. Yeah, so your PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement. What you should do with that, don't worry, I'm gonna show you. First of all, you should prepare two bootable disks, one with Windows 10 in it and one with Windows 11. So what you have to do with these two bootable disks, let's try to the explanation. Okay, now as you can see in the left side, that is two bootable disks, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open up the Windows 10 bootable disk, find source folder, and then find the install file. Yeah, the install file is like this, install.wim or install.whatever, as long as it is the largest file. Okay, and then you can strike to delete it, or you can cut and paste it to another folder so you can use it later. In my case, I not delete it, but I cut it and I put it in another folder so I can use it later. Okay, so just wait until it's done. I already paste it here. So what I should do next, what you should do next after you remove the installation file from the Windows 10 bootable disk is you take the installation from the Windows 11 bootable disk. Yeah, open up source folder also, and then take the installation and copy it and paste it into the Windows 10 bootable disk. Okay, and then as you can see, I already paste it. So take the installation file from the Windows 11. Yeah, you can find it in the source folder. Yeah, copy it and then paste it, put it in the Windows 10 bootable disk. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna tell you once again. First of all, delete the file, yeah, or cut the file in the Windows 10 bootable disk, the install file, and then take the installation file from the Windows 11 and put it in the Windows 10, something like that. Okay, after it's done, let's eject the flash drive, the flash disk, and then let's check if it is work or not. Okay, so let's see. Now, as you can see, I already plugged in the bootable disk to my old laptop, and then now I'm setting the boot priority to make sure that it will boot from my flash disk. Okay, just wait for a second. I'm sorry. Now I'm not gonna fast forward the video, but you can do it. Yeah, so in order to make you sure that that is no editing process in this video, so you can try this at home. It will works. Yeah, you will see. Okay, wait for a second, and then you can see that this will work. Okay, here it is. This is the installation menu. Okay, click next. Yeah, let's see if the error message, I mean the message like before, still come out to pop up or not. Setup is starting, and then wait for a moment. Okay, skip. Yeah, skip, and then choose the operating system. Okay, choose it and see. Voila. Still the PC not meet the system requirement. Oh no, you can see it's already works. Yeah, so choose one, the bottom one, but I clicked the wrong one. Okay, I choose the upper one, but you should click the bottom one, the custom installation, not the upgrade. So I'm gonna repeat the process. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the process. You can just fast forward the video. I'm gonna repeat the process and see if it is work. You can see if it is work. Okay, install now. Just wait for a second. Okay, skip it again, and then choose the operating system. Click next. Yes, you can see there is Windows 11 already. Yeah, and then click you accept the terms, and next, and then click the bottom one, the custom install. Don't click the upper one. Okay, as you can see, we already in the menu to select the drive partition. So this is, yeah, the proof that the method that I explained to you is work. As you can see, it's already copying the Windows file. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward it, and then voila, ta-da! Yeah, as you can see, it is success. Yeah, let's see the logo of the Windows 11. Here it is, the Windows 11 logo. Wow, great, isn't it? You can use your old laptop, yeah, to install Windows 11. Just follow the step in this video. Okay, you can stop the video here, or you can wait until it's done, no problem. But don't forget to like and subscribe so I can still make another video. Okay, now if you want to wait and see what the Windows 11 look like and what my Asus laptop look like, okay, and to make sure this is really an old model of laptop. I bought it in 2013, Asus. Yeah, as you can see, it's Core i3, but a old one. Yeah, and then the Asus in 2013. It almost 8 years old laptop, but it still can run this Windows 11. How good is it? Yeah, if you just follow my step and my method, and you still have a problem, you can share your experience and you can ask me how to solve your problem in the comment down below. I will answer you with my I will answer you. Okay, I will answer you and help you to install the Windows 11. Okay, that is my video. Okay, there is it. Yeah, the Windows 11 menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and click the bell. Ciao ciao.